Hello statistics students, and welcome back to chapter 5. This will be the last example we have in chapter 5, and we're going to find some missing parameters when we have a normal model. So it does say that there's a normal model, right? It gives us a mu, it gives us 45% above 30, and we're wondering what is the sigma. So here it says 45% is above this 30 mark. Well, 45%, okay, well, mu we know is 20, right? Above 30 would be here. Up here it's saying that there is 45% of the data, right? Well, this is a classic inverse norm. Now we usually use the left area. This is the right, so that means the left would have to be 0.55. Come over here to our calculator, that's second. Bars, inverse norm now, so that's a 3. Then we hit 0.55. We get that to calculate it for us. And we get a z equal to 0.1257. Okay. Now, that helps, right? But we're really looking for our sigma. Well, we know that z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. Now just fill stuff in. That's 0.1257 equals x. Well, x we actually know it's that 30 minus mu, well, that's 20 divided by sigma, right? Now, you are a statistics student. You should know how to do this here. You're multiplying this side by sigma, which then gives us, like, these cancel out, right? And I have my sigma over here. Well, that's what, 10? I get 10 then divided by 0.1257 should equal my sigma. And yeah, we're just solving for a variable. We've done this stuff before. That's 10 in my calculator divided by second answer, so I don't have to have any rounding mistakes. And I get that my standard deviation was 79.58 units. Okay. There's that first one. Second one here, it says missing parameters, so it shouldn't come as a shock. Now all of a sudden we're doing mu, so it says sigma is 5, 80% below 100. Okay, so again, we kind of draw this out. Here, I don't know what mu is, right? Now it says 80% is below 100. Now, if I put 100 over here on the left side, can there be 80% to the left of that? Well, no, because I have to get above 50%, so the 100 has to be here. This part that I'm shading, right, is the 80%, which means I'm doing inverse norm of 0.80. All right, so I do second, vars, right, 3 again, 0.8. I get my z is equal to 0.842. We did this just a minute ago. That's z equals x minus mu divided by sigma. Z is 0.842 equals my x is 100 minus mu, don't know, divided by, well, it's 5. Well, that means I multiply this by 5, right? Oh, so I come over here to my calculator, times 5, enter. That's 4.2081 equals 100 minus mu. Of course, you can do this in less steps. I would add mu over and then subtract, right? Here on the calculator, I'll kind of just cheat. I think I'll just say minus 100, right? Now that's negative, but of course we know that that can't be negative there because these negatives will cancel out, so that mu must be equal to 95.79 units, whatever that is. And there we found a couple missing parameters. And that completes chapter 5.